This is Cato, a mechanical engineer at the Royal Belgian Institute for Space Aeronomy. And this is Gita, an atmospheric scientist at the same institute. Recently, they installed our newly developed SEMPAS instrument on the Mermaid wind farm platform in the North Sea, along one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. This area is also a fragile ecosystem, adjacent to densely populated coastal areas, making air quality and environmental policy for the region an important issue. With SEMPAS, our institute will be able to monitor passing cargo ships within a range of 8 kilometers and detect their emissions of polluting gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides. This way, we can make sure that they respect pollution regulations. Until now, these inspections were only possible by plane. With SEMPAS, however, constant monitoring of ships and overall air quality conditions in the region will be possible, making our environment cleaner and safer for all living organisms.